Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your software development with Jira step by step clearly. To secure your software development with Jira, first, log into your Jira account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Click on the project you wish to secure. Locate the project settings in the sidebar and select it. Under the settings menu, find the user management section. Assign roles to team members based on their responsibilities. Ensure that only essential team members have admin access. Next, set permissions by clicking on Permissions in the settings menu. Customize the permission scheme according to your team's needs. Limit access to sensitive information by carefully managing view and edit permissions. Implement two-factor authentication for all user accounts. Go to the profile settings of each user to enable this feature. Regularly review user access and permissions every few months. Remove any users who no longer require access. Monitor activity logs to track changes made within the project. Enable notifications for critical updates and security incidents. Consider integrating third-party security tools with Jira for added protection. Conduct regular training sessions for your Stay updated with Jira's security features by following their official releases. Finally, create a contingency plan to address potential security breaches. These steps will help you maintain a secure software development environment with Jira. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.